The half-moon cut diamond is a distinctive and elegant shape, known for its semicircular design with a straight edge on one side and a curved rounded edge on the other. This unique cut is often used as an accent stone, beautifully complementing larger center stones, especially in multi-stone and vintage-inspired jewelry settings. What sets the half-moon cut apart is its versatility and symmetry. These stones are typically crafted in pairs, making them ideal for side stones in engagement rings or in intricate designs where balance and harmony are key. Their curved shape adds a soft, flowing aesthetic, while the faceting enhances their ability to reflect light, creating subtle brilliance and sparkle. The half moon cut is perfect for those who appreciate creative and artistic designs. Whether framing a larger diamond or as part of an avant garde jewelry piece, this cut offers a unique blend of elegance and individuality, making it a stunning choice for any sophisticated jewelry lover. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export import business from India, join online master course, visit amitmulani.com.